What's up, guys? Welcome to Go Motoring YouTube channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to talk to you about this, right? So as you can see, that's the visor to the sunroof, and it looks decrepit. Why does it look decrepit? Well, I washed the car a couple weeks ago, and after I finished washing the car, drying it off, I took it in the garage and I noticed that the fabric that was attached to this visor was a little bit wet. I tried to play around with the fabric. The fabric started ripping off, so I just ripped the whole thing off, and this is what I found. Kind of, it looks like, I guess there's just this brown gunk that's attached to the visor, and I think it was the glue that was holding the fabric together. So it looks like I have a leak in the sunroof, and I suspected I had a leak in the sunroof because there were some slight water stains maybe 2 or 3 weeks before I washed the car, which is the reason I actually washed the car. I wanted to make sure that, I wanted to see if there were any leaks. And then I noticed a little bit of a kind of a wet carpet odor in the car after it rained. So anyway, that thing came off, and obviously the reason that it got wet is because there's a seal that's leaking near the sunroof. And I also noticed, I don't know if you can tell here on this video, but there are a number of other like the roof liner is starting to sag a little bit in different parts of the roof. So if I kind of push it here, it's not firmly attached to the top of the roof, it's sort of sagging, and you have similar types of pockets all around the car. So anyway, I found a shop that's going to help me, basically that's going to reupholster the whole roof, that's going to obviously put new fabric on the visor to the sunroof, and then also reupholster the whole roof of the car. And the lady that was at the shop that's going to be doing this work told me that until that work is done, to not kind of move this visor back and forth, because what can happen is this brown gunk, the little chunks that keep coming off, they can get stuck in the sunroof mechanicals and further exacerbate the problem that this has created. So anyway, just wanted to kind of quickly share with you the update on the sunroof. It was a little kind of annoying that happened, especially after I was finished washing the car, detailing the car. But it's one of those things that's going to happen with a car that's 17 years old. So I'll probably post another video once I get this issue resolved, once the fabric comes in and everything gets reupholstered. But of course, the most important thing is going to be making sure that I've got the sunroof sealed, so that we don't have any other types of problems in the future when it rains or when I wash the car. So thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.